Learn about one of the premier ways to accumulate money online as it works for any person on the internet, wherever you may be in the world. No need for social media followers, social networking, affiliate marketing, and whatnot, as you only need to copy and paste some text. You don't even need to have some sort of experience for you to pursue this. You want to know how? In this video, I'll be providing you a strategy that you haven't imagined would help you make money. Make sure to stay until the end of this video so that you will learn how to earn money easily with these 3 websites that I will teach you about. But before we start, welcome to my channel where we teach you the best ways to make money online, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Step 1 is to visit google.com. Then step 2 is to navigate the webpage to search for Google News. With this, let me give you a little tip. You can see here that there is a domain that contains the latest and most updated news, which is news.google.com, the first website that you will see from the search results. Here you can find a wide range and a numerous variety of topics and news just like that of a newspaper. If you're looking for entertainment news or science news or health news or sports, news, tech, business, or anything according to your liking, you can find it right here. Among these categories, I want you to simply focus on business technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. No, I want you to click on health, and then you can see that the results will give you the most up-to-date and most relevant news articles that pertain to health. Feel free to discover and scroll down to find an article that you like. For example, this article, as it is just uploaded recently. Just click the article, then copy the article's content just like this. After doing so, we are set to move on to step 3, which requires us to visit another website. For this step, I want you to open spinbot.com. Spinbot will then be the website that will do the magic for you. Simply paste the content of the article onto the space provided here. Then Spinbot will rewrite the entire article for you. You will then have an entirely different article that's unique and original. You will be using those articles on 3 more websites that I will discuss with you in just a little bit. And of course, those websites will pay you for those articles, and some of them will even compensate you with money for every word in the article. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Using the reconstructed article. You will now make use of this as we proceed to the next 3 websites where you will start earning money. For the first website that I will be showing, you will submit the reconstructed articles, or if you want to, you can even craft your own articles and submit them yourself. The website is called eatingwell.com. You may not be fond of writing long articles or lengthy news columns. So that is why I taught you all about Spinbot soon, so you can just use articles that you can find and then reconstruct them using the website, and eatingwell.com will pay you up to $1 per word. Let's say your article is composed of 1,000 words and you'll get paid $1 per word. That's probably the easiest $1,000 that you've ever made, since all you had to do was copy and paste the article all in less than 30 minutes. If you're a little bit confused, let me show you how to actually submit an article here and eatingwell.com. Navigate through the webpage, and you can find their email address on the bottom of their webpage under the heading Contact Us. Now copy that email address and paste it into your email for the recipient line. Compose your email with the content being the reconstructed article. And finally put in article submission on the subject line. Your message is all set, and all you have to do now is click on Send button. After some time, they will then send you an email asking you for your payment information if they liked your article after they reviewed it. If you prefer to be paid through PayPal, simply tell them your account details to claim your money. However, if you do not have PayPal or you choose not to be paid through PayPal, You can claim your money through your bank account via bank transfer. Just give them your bank information, and then the money will be ready for you. But it does not stop there. There are still other websites that you can submit your articles to, which leads us to the second website that I'll be discussing with you. SierraClub.org is the second website where you can also earn money by submitting reconstructed articles. Just visit their official is your website, and you can find anything that you need to know. Read the instructions and follow them accordingly. Then finally, submit your articles through their email address. Just repeat the process that you underwent with Eating Well, but this time you're going to submit it to SierraClub.org. Fill in your contact information, input article submission on the subject line, and compose your email. Just a tip, you can expand your article choices here with topics related to technology and science, as opposed to Eating Well, where they only accept health and fitness-related articles. So just go back to Google News and discover articles related to these for better outcomes in earning money. Lastly, daily.jstor.org is the final website where you can submit your articles. Simply visit their website and read the guidelines, and then follow the instructions given. Unlike the two previous websites, this website will only offer you with less money, but overall is a pretty good deal considering you don't have to do much. Also, outcomes are evenly maximized, since the website will only limit you for up to 2,000 words, while paying you 31 cents per word seems low for you. And let me tell you this, earning 31 cents per word is really not that bad, as we will be able to milk this out by submitting more articles, thus adding your money quickly. So that's basically the strategy for today's video. Just like what he told you, it's so easy, and you can do this even if you don't have any experience or previous skills, and that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.